a long time no see. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, you guys, I have a Madam Glam little treat to show you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you guys are notified as well. Go ahead and hit that, so what is it, the little notification button. And of course, Madam Glam's products are the best, and they're so sweet that they gave me a coupon code for you guys. So I believe it's Laura Couture Nails 30. So basically I have the little PR package that they sent me, and we're just gonna open it up. And guys, I'm so excited for this because I think I've never even used a rubber base coat. Rubber base coat. So these are rubber base gels, right? So I guess that means that the consistency, so when it actually cures, it's actually a harder material or a harder gel. So you can use this to strengthen the nails if somebody's nails are super weak. Okay, well, not weak, but so that they don't break easily. But yeah, I'm basically just gonna swatch these for you guys. But let's see, I did pick 3 colors. So this one's Vietnam, this one is Malaysia, and this one is India. Okay, so we're gonna start, you know what, let's start with Vietnam. I'm just gonna be using my little lamp over here. Oh, something went on my phone. Okay, so I'm gonna use this lamp to cure them. And you guys, I've been so busy. I'm so sorry that I've been gone, but it's just been crazy with, you know, moving into the salon and stuff, that I'm trying to get my rhythm with everything. So I did start using TikTok more, so if you want, follow me on TikTok. I'll leave my name down below. But we're just going to do the first color, which is Vietnam. And you guys, it's early in the morning. Everybody's getting ready for their day, so if it's loud, I'm so sorry. And just to let you guys know, this smells like candy. I don't know why. This is really cool. This is a pretty color. I'm probably going to do 2 coats of each so you guys can get a better look. So we'll put Vietnam there first. I don't know if you guys, let me see. That's the first swatch, just so you guys can see, but it's very faint. And it does feel more thicker than usual. So let's leave that there. And this one, we're going to do Malaysia next. I picked these colors because I wanted to get colors that'll go with all my clients, so everybody has different skin tones, or if they just wanted a specific color. A lot of people just like, you know, different colors, so it was good to have these 3. Let's see, I'm trying to swatch it in front of y'all because that way you guys can get a better look. This is like a baby pink, translucent. Oh, it smells like candy. It smells like bubble gum. So yummy smelling. Okay. And then we have India right here. I don't know if I told you guys, but I think I have. The girls at the salon love my Madam Glam collection. It's not even funny. They're like obsessed with my gels from Madam Glam. They work the best, and they just love using them. Okay, so this was yeah, India. But yeah, they love using them. I'm gonna cure them for 1 minute, but yeah, they love using them. Let me put this away. So I know that they're really good because I'm like, I can't just be mean. They're like that amazing. So I love their products. If you can see on their bottles, Madam Glam's vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula. I don't know exactly what that means, but I think it just means it doesn't have as much harmful chemicals. And it's HEMA-free, which I heard it's like a really bad ingredient that a lot of nail products have. I really don't know how bad. I really should do some research on that. But oh, it smells good even when it's curing. What the heck? It's so weird. Okay, so that's really cool, Madam Glam, that you guys did that. I really like that. I actually noticed another brand do that recently, and I was like kind of like shocked that they did that, and I was like, how did they even do that? Usually nail products have stronger chemicals in them. You guys, I was like, this is like already old, so I was like, let me take this hand off and just do something new, but I didn't even get a chance to finish it. Oh, while this is curing, I'm gonna tell you guys something real quick. At the salon, I took my mount that I'm using right now, and I haven't been able to record because of the fact that it was just like not keeping my new phone up. I got a new phone. It's the Galaxy, I think S21 Ultra, whatever. Anyway, so it was heavier than my old Note 9, my Galaxy Note 9, and I couldn't figure out how to stabilize the mount so that I could record and all this stuff. And I still have to figure out what the heck, how to, like, I'm gonna put all the, I guess, stuff onto the cloud because it's so full and I need more space. We're just gonna do the second coat for this, you guys. But yeah, so that's been annoying. So I just have to do that today sometime with a bunch of other things. I'm trying to sign my son to a new school. Hopefully he's able to get in. I got so much stuff, you guys. But once he's back in school, I feel like things will get back into normality after I sign him up and everything. And doing my whole phone thing. Like, I need more storage. It's annoying. Okay, so this is Malaysia. Yeah. Bye, baby. Drive safe. Thank you. My boyfriend's going to work. He's like, oh, she's recording. Okay, so Malaysia. Okay, and this is India. So pretty, the second coat. I wonder what it will look like on my hands. Okay, so we're gonna cure that. Let me close these up. Okay. Love you, babe. God bless you. Okay, so my boyfriend walked in here. He's like, oops, she's recording. Well, obviously he's not used to it when it's early. I'm drinking my coffee too, you guys. Nothing like your first cup of joe in the morning. Okay, so it's almost 1 minute, but you guys, I love this product. I'm gonna actually try to do this. I would say on myself, but I can't. My mom actually had her nails, she keeps like breaking them, so I'm gonna do it on her natural nails soon because I really want to try this, or maybe on the client or something. I don't know. I have to take this to work actually today since, you know, I'm recording this at home so that I don't have to do the voiceover. But when, I think it's been like more than a minute. What the heck? Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna use this later on, but okay, that's that color, that's this color. Let's just leave it like that. Okay. Oh, mine is so pretty, you guys. Oh wow. Okay, still I'm gonna give you guys a little zoom close up. Take off my mount here really quickly. All right, you guys, so that is the colors. Let me see. I'm messing everything up, you guys. I wanted to put the little box in the back so you guys can see, like, oh, Madam Glam. Okay. We got Vietnam, Malaysia, India. I love the names of this. I don't know. They might have other colors with different names. Okay, so here we go. Super pretty. I'm going to tell you the truth. It's hard to pick a favorite, but I love this color right here. Love, love, love. Love this one too. They're also pretty, but this is my favorite. I feel like this will go great on everybody. But yeah, that is all, you guys. If you guys want a discount from Madam Glam, trust me, you're gonna love them if you try them. You guys seen them on my channel all throughout the past year. They send me a PR package every month with new things to show you guys, so that you guys can see what you're getting and how good the consistency and the colors are, which Madam Glam is A1, the best. I'm telling you guys, because I've tried so many different ones. The best. Love them, love them, love them. So yeah, they have a lot of assortment of colors. So this is their first rubber base I guess product. And yeah, if you do want a discount, like I said, I'll leave it in the description box down below, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave all of that stuff in my description box. Instagram, Facebook, and what was the other one? Oh, and TikTok. I'm starting to use my TikTok for nails more and other random stuff. So yeah, love you guys so much, and God bless you guys. Bye bye.